What's up everyone? My 2.5-year-old daughter is a big fan of dinosaurs. So whenever I heard about the Dinosaur Drive thru, I just can't wait to attend the show. So here I am today. It's around 40 to 45 minutes too. As we all are staying inside our car, it's also COVID friendly. And also staff are wearing masks. Dinosaurs are animatronic with lifelike movements and roars. The entire drive-thru is guided by a very entertaining audio tool which talks about the dinosaurs. There is even an interactive trivia game throughout the tour, which you will get a certificate at the end of the show. We reached the event location at 5 p.m. so to get the opportunity to see the dinosaur in the dusk just before the sunset. In the daytime, everything is clear, and in the evening, illuminate colorful lights make dinosaur more beautiful. We all have enjoyed the entire drive-thru show, and the kids were very happy to see their favorite dinosaur walking around and roaring.
And I'll be one of your tour guides. Before our adventure begins, let's go over a few safety rules. For those of you brave enough to drive this course,
If you like my today's video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel with the bell button so you'll get notification every time I post video and don't miss anything.